In this class, I am going to do all the problems of coordinate geometry, both the exercises of 10th class, right? So, in the morning live class, I have already explained the concepts. Now, I wanted to give the solutions of the textbook, solutions of the problem. This is the first problem of 7.1 exercise. 7.1 exercise, and this is the first question, and find the distance between the following pairs of points. Okay. So, now this is x1. So, two points are given, we have to find out the distance between them. So, now let us find out the distance, right. So, I will be using a yellow color. Okay. So, now this is a x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. You should be able to label it, which is x1, which is y1, all these things you should know, right. Ipudu so now let us say this is A and this is B. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. x1, x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2 minus 2 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus 3 whole square. Okay, you have to be very careful. 2 square plus minus 2 square. Most of the students they are writing wrong only at this step. Be careful. So then how much? It is 4 plus 4. It is 8. 8 units. Okay. So now let us do second question also. Say x1 y1 is equal to A is equal to minus 5 7 and x2 y2 is equal to B is equal to minus 1 3. Now AB is equal to, write the formula carries marks. Okay. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now put the values x2 is minus 1, x1 is minus 5. Minus 5 is there, minus it will become plus 5. You have to be careful at this point. Minus 1 is, I have written x2 minus 1, but x1 is also minus. So, minus of minus, it will become plus. I have written directly. So, y2 is 3 and minus y1 is 7. So, both are positive. So, then how much? This is plus 4 whole square and this is minus 4 whole square. So, 16 plus 16 under root, which is equal to 32 units. Same way we will do that also, right. So, let us say this is A and this is B. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square x2 is say you write it here x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay. So, minus A, x1 is again A minus A whole square, y2 is minus B, y1 is only B minus B whole square. So, it is equal to minus 2A whole square and minus 2B whole square, which is equal to 4A square plus 4B square. So, you can take out 4 common, A square plus B square. So square root of 4 into square root of a square plus b square. Most of the students will write a square plus b square root is a plus b. It should not be like that. It should be only a square plus b square. A square plus b square, there is no root. So under root of square root of a square plus b square is a square plus b square only. Okay. This is a first question. Right. Let us go to one more second question. Okay. The distance between the points, find the distance between the points. So now let me write a is equal to 0, 0 and b is equal to 36, 15. So he asked directly first point, we will do it. Can you find the distance between the 2 points A and B discussed in second? Okay. So that we will leave it. Okay. So this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Okay. So then AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 is 36, x1 is 0, 36 minus 0 whole square, y2 is 15 minus 0 whole square. So how much? 36 square plus 15 square. So 36 whole square we need. So 36 into 36. R 36, R 18, R 18. So 1296 plus 225. Okay. So how much? 11, 12, 5. So it is equal to 15, 21. Now let us check whether root is there or not. 3 3s are. You should be able to find out the root also. Yes, root is there. So it is equal to 39 units. Okay. So this is second question. I hope let us go to the third question also. Determine if the points are collinear or not. We have to find out whether they are collinear or not. Okay. So now you keep first point as 1, 5 and B is equal to 2, 3 and C is equal to minus 2, minus 11. Okay. So you find out AB. AB is the distance between these two. I will write directly the answer. X2 minus x1, 2 minus 1 whole square, y2 minus y1, 3 minus 5 whole square. So square root of 1 whole square minus 2 whole square, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Let us find out BC also. BC is equal to, again, x2 minus x1, these two, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 whole square, minus 11, minus 3 whole square. So minus 5 whole square, minus 14 whole square. So 25 plus 196. So how much? 11, 12, 221. 221 is nothing but 11. BC is equal to 11. Now let us find out AC also. A I will write, let me write here, A is equal to 1 of 5 and C is equal to minus 2, minus 11. Okay. So now you have to apply the formula, distance formula, x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square minus 11 minus 5 whole square. So minus 3 whole square minus 16 whole square, which is equal to 9 plus 256 is equal to, okay, 270, and 6 plus 9 15, and this is 6 265. Now we got all the three. If AB plus BC is equal to, if AB plus BC is equal to AC, then A, B, C are collinear. Sum of these two is equal to the third one. Then so root 5 plus root 5. So but AB plus BC is not equal to AC. That means if you add these two, you are not getting 265. Okay. So therefore ABC are not collinear. Okay. So now let us go to another question. Check whether are the vertices of isosceles triangle or not. Okay, we have to find out whether these were isosceles triangle vertices or not. Let us say A and this is B and C. Let us write A is equal to 5 minus 2 and B is equal to 6 4 and C is equal to 7 minus 2. So these are the vertices of a right angle triangle. You find out AB, BC and AC. If two sides are equal, then it is isosceles triangle. Okay. Let us find out AB. So I am not writing formula. In the examination, you should write the formula. Formula carries mark. Okay. So now x2 minus x1, 6 minus 5 whole square, and 4 minus minus 2, it is equal to 4 plus 2 whole square. Okay. 6 minus 1, 6 minus 5, 1 whole square, this is 6 whole square is equal to 1 plus 36 is equal to root 37. Now let us find out BC also. B means I am writing here so that it will be easy for us. 7 minus 2. Okay. So BC, x2 minus x1, 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 whole square and minus 2 minus 4 whole square, which is equal to 1 whole square minus 6 whole square, which is equal to 1 plus 36 is equal to 37. Yes, two sides are equal, therefore it is an isosceles triangle, but still, because he asked only two isosceles or not. Let us find out AC also. AC. So A is equal to 5 minus 2 and C is equal to 7 minus 2. So that it will be easy to find out. Okay. So now is equal to square root of 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 whole square minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Because minus 2 minus minus 2, it will become plus 2. 7 minus 5, 2 whole square, this is 0 whole square. So it is equal to 4 plus 0 is equal to 4 and 2. So that implies AB is equal to BC. Therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. That implies the vertices are the vertices of a isosceles triangle. Okay. So this question is very important question, very important. okay, because it's a 4 marks question. Now the same question it may be asked in the different way. Show that these 3 vertices are right angle triangles vertices. So how do you say whether it is right angle triangle or not? So now biggest one, automatically you will be coming to know this is the biggest, both are same, okay. Definitely these are equal, it should be bigger, so they do not belongs to right angle triangle. That means Pythagoras theorem, it should be applied. For right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem. For other triangle, you just see the sides. If all the sides are equal, then they are equilateral triangle vertices. If only 2 sides are equal, then isosceles triangle. If Pythagoras theorem is applied, longest side square is equal to sum of squares of other 2 sides. That is the Pythagoras theorem. So that is also on this triangle, very, very important question. It is in every question, it is just distance formula, okay. Let us go to question number 5. This is case study problem, okay. Case study problem, let me take red color. So you have to understand it properly. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated, points A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are 4 friends, okay, shown in figure. So 4 friends are there in this, okay. And Champa and Chameli walk into the class. After observing a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" And Chameli disagrees. And so using the distance formula, find which of them are correct. Among these people, 2 students have came out of the walk into the class. Champa and Chameli, 2 people came into the class, and they observed all these 4 points, and they were discussing each other. Are they? Don't you think that ABCD is a square? So now we have to find which of them is correct. So now you should find out whether this is a square or not. All sides should be equal and diagonals also should be equal. So now points A, what are the points? 3 and 4. Okay, A is 3 and 4. B, 6 and 7. So 6 and 7. And C, 9 and 4. Okay, and D, 6 and 1. So first x-axis value should be written, and then y-axis value should be written. Therefore, x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay. So that means if you join it, what happened? You will be getting a quadrilateral, and this quadrilateral we have to verify whether it is a square or not. So whether Champa is correct or Chameli is correct, that we have to decide. So for that, you have to find out, I'll write here, find out AB using the distance formula previously. Find out BC, okay, find out CD and find out AD. That means if all sides are equal, then it will be rhombus, not directly square. Huh? If all sides are equal, it is rhombus. So for square, there is one more. You find out the diagonal also. That means find out AC how much and BD is how much. That means these two are diagonals. So that means 4 sides you have to find out. From that you will come to know this is a rhombus or not. Then if you find the diagonals AC and BD, if they are equal, in rhombus if diagonals are equal, then it is a square. Okay, rhombus in which if rhombus in which whose diagonals are equal is a square. Okay. So this is how you have to do. After getting this value, then you have to conclude the problem. You have to conclude the problem, right? I hope you have understood, and I am not having a space here to do. Still you can do here and you find out, right? So now let me go to another question. Sixth question. In sixth question there are 3 bits. Sixth question, first bit, second bit, third bit, right? They are 4 vertices. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, okay, and give reasons your answer. That means A, B, C, D, you have to label it as A, this is A, B and C, D, like that all the things. You find out AB, you find out AB, find out BC, find out CD and find out AD. These are the 4 sides. If opposite sides are equal, it is a parallelogram. If all sides are equal, it is a rhombus. If all sides are equal, diagonals are also equal, it is a square, right? So if only opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal, then it is a rectangle. You should know the properties of the quadrilateral. That means types of the quadrilaterals. Then only you can conclude it. For all the 3 problems, you must know the properties, types of the quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if opposite sides are parallel. First one, it is a parallelogram if AB, what are the opposite side? AB, these 2 are opposite side. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. If opposite sides are equal, then it is a parallelogram. Okay. So then if it is not parallelogram, it is a quadrilateral. So after parallelogram, if diagonals are equal, you find out the diagonals also. If diagonals are equal, then it is a rectangle. If all 4 sides are equal and diagonals are equal, then it is a square. If diagonals are not equal, all sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. So this is how you have to identify. In this also, you should use a distance formula. So that is nothing but square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance formula must be used in this. Okay. So I am not going to do, but still I will do one question. Okay. So now A is equal to, first question I am going to do, and B is equal to 1 0, C is equal to minus 1 2 and D is equal to minus 3 0. So first I should find out AB. You write here A is equal to minus 1 minus 2 and B is equal to 1 0. So that it will be easy. X2 minus x1 whole square, 1 minus minus 1, so 1 plus 1 whole square. Y2 minus y1, 0 minus minus 2, so 0 plus 2 whole square. So it is equal to 2 square minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 4 plus 4, 8. I got AB. Then BC you should get. B is equal to 1 0 and C is equal to minus 1 2. So you find out BC. Like this you should write B and C and find out BC. Okay. So minus x2 minus x1 whole square, minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 whole square, and 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0 whole square. Y2 minus y1, always in the mind x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. It should be there in your mind. So then how much? It is equal to minus 2 whole square and 2 whole square, which is equal to 4 and 4, which is equal to 8. So now we should find out C. That means AB, BC are equal, two sides are equal. Let us find out CD also. C is how much? C is equal to minus 1, 2 and D is equal to minus 3, 0. So CD, x2 minus x1, minus 3 minus minus 1, minus 3 plus 1 whole square, 0 minus 2 whole square. So it is equal to minus 2 whole square and minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 4 plus 4 and 8. CD is also equal to 8. All the three sides are equal. Let us find out AD also. So now A is equal to how much? A is equal to minus 1, minus 2 and D is equal to minus 3 and 0. So square root of minus 3 minus 1, so minus 3 plus 1 whole square, 0 minus minus 2, 0 plus 2 whole square, which is equal to minus 2 whole square and 2 whole square, 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. All four sides are equal. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. That means it may be a rhombus. It is a rhombus, confirmed. All four sides are equal. Don't write it is a square. It is a rhombus. So square, when it will come, you have to find out diagonals. So diagonal is AC. AC you have to find out, and BD you have to find out. Okay. So now AC, I will write A here. A is equal to minus 1, minus 2 and C is equal to minus 1, 2. So I will write directly AC, minus 1 minus minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 whole square, D, 2 minus minus, so 2 plus 2 whole square, so it is equal to 0 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 16, which is equal to 4. 4 is the answer. Now let us find out BD also. B is how much? B is equal to 1, 0 and D is equal to minus 3, 0. So how much it will become? Minus 3 minus 1. So minus 4 whole square, 0, 0, 0 whole square. So 16 is equal to 4. That means AC is equal to BD. That means AC is equal to BD. So all sides are equal, diagonals are also equal. Therefore, ABCD, the given vertices are the vertices of a square. Okay, don't conclude only by this. If all the four sides are equal, then it will become a rhombus. It will not, we cannot say it is a square or not. For square, you should need 2. So for rectangle also, diagonals are equal. In rectangle, in square, diagonals are equal. So that means you have to find out diagonals. So depending on the equal diagonals, we will decide. So now here, if only opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal, rectangle. Okay. If only all sides are equal, diagonals are not equal, rhombus. So all these things you have to understand. This is question number 6. Okay. Right. Find the point on the x-axis where equidistant. Okay. So now it's a very important question. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant to this. So now let me write x-axis here. So write the points also. 2 minus 5 is in the, this is 2 minus 5 in the fourth quadrant. Let us say this is A and this is A. Okay. And minus 2, 9. Minus 2 and 9 is here. Okay. This is B, minus 2, 9. So now these 2 points, find a point on the x-axis. These 2 points are equal. So that means let us say P are here somewhere P. Okay, this PB is equal to PA. Okay, P should be on the x-axis. On the x-axis, y always 0 and x will be something, x and 0. So this you should be able to write it. On x-axis, y is 0, x will be something. So x will be something. So now this will carry mark. I did not write it properly. So that means PA is equal to PB. P is equal to x and 0. Let, which is on the x-axis. Which is on x-axis. And A is equal to 2 minus 5. No need to draw a diagram actually. Minus 2, 9. Given that these 2 points are equidistant, PA is equal to PB. So now you apply the distance formula in this. So PA square, square root PA. Evaru? Just a minute. Okay. So okay. So x2 minus x1, PA. x2 I am coming 2 minus x, 2 minus x whole square. y2 minus y1, minus 5, 0. So minus 5, 0 whole square. PB. Okay, minus 2 minus x, minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square. So now square on both sides, square root will go. So only inside things will be there, 2 minus x whole square, minus 5 minus 0 means minus 5 whole square, which is equal to minus 2 minus x whole square and 9 whole square. Open the brackets. This is a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. So I will write directly a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab 25 is equal to, both are minus, therefore if you can write so both are minus, you can write a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab 2 to the 4x plus 81. So both sides x square will get cancelled, 4 also will get cancelled. Okay, that's it. So here minus 4x, this 4x comes this side, minus 4x is equal to 81, this 25 goes that side. So minus 8x is equal to 11 minus 5, 6, 7 minus 2, 5. So x is equal to minus 56 by 8 minus 7. Therefore, P is equal to minus 7, 0. A very simple question, but you have to use your meaning and brain. No need to draw the diagram. I cannot rub it, so that's why I left like this. I cannot rub it. So this is only the answer, complete answer. You will be getting full marks for this. Only I did not write the rule here. So what rule I have written? Distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That I did not write it. Okay. So now let me go to another question. 8th question. Question number 8, exercise 1. Right. So find the values of y which are equidistant. P and Q is 10 units, right? Which are equidistant. The distance is, okay, let us PQ. P is equal to 2 minus 3 and Q is equal to 10y. The distance is 10 units. That means PQ is equal to 10 units. This is given. And you have to find out a y value. So let us write PQ square is equal to 10 square. PQ square is formula x2 minus x1 whole square. Oh, I should not write brush. I need oh, I can write this. So without square root I will write 10 minus 2 whole square plus y minus minus 3 y plus 3 whole square, which is equal to 100. So 10 minus 2, 8. 8 square is 64. This is, I will keep y plus 3 whole square only. I will not open the bracket because I have to find the value of y. So 100 minus 64, which is equal to 36. So y plus 3 whole square is equal to 36 and y plus 3 is equal to square root of 36 plus or minus 6. So therefore y is equal to plus 6 minus 3 and y is equal to minus 6 minus 3. So it is 3 and it is minus 9. So these are the answers of y. Important question. This question 3 marks or 2 marks? 3 marks के लिए आ सकता है. 3 marks question. 2 marks questions, 1 mark questions directly formula based. Formula directly आप use करेंगे तो then you will get 2 or 1 mark. Formula के साथ आपका दिमाग भी use किया, that means equidistant, then you will get more marks. So ये 3 marks के लिए आ सकते हैं. It depends on basic and standard also. For standard people, it will come as a 2 marks question. Okay. So maximum 2 or 3. So this question. So then let us go to another question. 8th question is done. Clean. 9th question. Question number 9. Hi, who is this? Arito Ghosh. Namaste. Namaste. I didn't expect anybody in my live class. Good, 1 or 2 people are saying hi to me. Okay, I am just free, casually sitting. So why can't I explain all the 7.1 exercise problems? So I started doing. Thank you. You are there in my class. Arito Ghosh. Namaste. So now let us go to this question. 2.7.1 exercise, 9th question, NCERT book, CBSE book. Okay. Yeah, you are in 11th one, so you are in 11th. I can't help it. Okay, you must have subscribed my channel last year, so that's why it's coming. Yeah, now I kept your message. Bye. Bye bye. Take care. Prepare well for your exams. So Q is 0 1 P like that, and Q is equidistant from P and Q. Let me write first Q is equal to 0 1, P is equal to 5 minus 3, and R is equal to X and 6. And Q is equidistant, that means PQ is equal to QR. Okay, so Q is equidistant from P and R. Okay, so then find QR, find the value of X and also find the value of QR and PR. Okay, so now let us start work. PQ square is equal to, I am squaring it on both sides, so no need to write the square in the formula. So P and Q, I am taking these two, so square root of 5 x2 minus x1, 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0 whole square, and minus 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 whole square. This is PQ, PQ square. QR square, that means these two, QR, this and the last one. Okay, so x minus 0 whole square, 6 minus 1 whole square. I removed the square root because I have written squares here. So 5 minus 0, 5 square, minus 4 whole square, this is x square, 5 whole square. So 25, okay, plus 16, which is equal x square plus 25. 25 cancel. X square is equal to 16, x is equal to square root of 16 plus or minus 4. So we got x plus or minus. Okay, so if you are taking that, that means you have to find out QR. So write Q here. Q is how much? 0 1. R is how much? X 6. I write 1 4 and 6. I wrote plus 4. I wrote plus 4. So now find out QR. Again you write Q is equal to 0 1 and R is equal to minus 4 and 6. Again find QR. This is first bit. For PR also like this, PR. P is equal to, R is equal to 4 6 and P is equal to 5 minus 3. So one time you have to write plus, one time you have to write minus. Okay, so you have to do 4 bits here. I hope you have understood. This is 9th question, right? So clean it. Let us go to next question. It is also the same type of previous question. Okay, and let us go to one more question. 7.2 exercise has come. So tomorrow I will be doing 7.2 exercise. Bye bye. See you. Please like my channel, share my channel and subscribe my channel. Right? Thank you.